Today we're gonna show you how to reset maintenance light on 2010 Honda Accord at Kenny. Keep watching. So like you see, 2010 Honda Accord, we did the service. We need to reset the maintenance light. Push the wrench. See the light? The wrench is on. So I'm gonna do it by myself. So you gotta hold this button for 10 seconds. Release and hold it again for 5 seconds. It's all set. So release, hold. See? So after you hold it 10 seconds, then you release. So when it start flashing, the 15%, release. After 10 seconds, then you hold for 5 seconds. Here you go. Right now is 100%. So that's how you reset. So let's try it again. See, the wrench is on. Okay, oil life 100%. It's gone and 100%. So keep watching and subscribe, like, and leave comment down below. So it's simple. Just you hold the button, turn the key on, the reset button right here. See, all the Honda, I believe 2007 up is same. Just hold it 10 seconds, like you see, and after this, when the light flash, let it go. After 10 seconds, then hold it for another 5 seconds. Should be 100%. Thank you for watching. This is Kenny, and I will help if anybody need. Leave a comment down below.